Hey, guys! Today, let's learn how to add music to your Instagram story. So if you guys want to go ahead and add music directly to your Instagram story, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright, guys. So what we need to do first, if you want to go ahead and add music to your Instagram story, is to launch the Instagram application. Now, once you're already here, what we need to do next is just go ahead and tap on the option to post a story, or just swipe from the left to the right. For you guys to, well, add a story to your, story. In this case, I think this is gonna be good for me, and I wanna do is just tap on this music symbol over here to add music. It's that easy, guys. All we need to do is choose for the specific music that we want to go ahead and add, and then basically just select it, edit it, and define what specific template or icon you'd like. If you want to go ahead and add lyrics or just the song icon to that, and also slide this slider if you wanna. Choose a specific part of the song. Now, that's all for this video. Just tap on done once you're done, and then we could always now proceed with just posting this our story just by timing on this button, and then choosing the preferred story options. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as all if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.